Hello guys, you're welcome back to Inventive First Put, the second part of our first strategies. I've already told us about the indicators that we'll be using. MACD, stochastics, EMA5 close, EMA5 open. So the MACD is going to be set on 12, 26, and 1, while the stochastic is going to be set on 5, 3, and 3. The MEL, EMA5 close, EMA5 open. So I'm going to give you more illustration about it now. So how can you use this indicator? One, you make sure that trading on your trading platform, after you have registered, you open your trading platform, maybe it's TradingView or MP4 or MP5. So you go to 5 minutes time frame. So after that, then you set your MACD, insert the MACD, stochastic, MA5, and MA5 close. These are the things you have to set on your chart. So now, after this, let's go to the next point. Next point now is that one, we'll start from MACD. One, MACD. So your MACD is already on 12, 26, and 1. 12, 26, and 1. So now, stochastic, then EMA, EM2, 5, 5, close, and open. So I've already shown you all this before. I just want to tell you how you're going to use it in setting your trade. So this is how you're going to use it to enter for buy. Enter for buy. Buy. Only when all these 4 indicators pass all these criteria. You only buy when your MACD, stochastic, EMA5, EMA5 to open. Pass all these signal. 1. When the stochastic cross up from the 20 line and is not overbought. When the stochastic crosses up from the 20 line, and is not overbought, so you can see the condition, and is not overbought. When the stochastic crosses up from the 20 line and is not overbought, that's the first condition that it must pass. Second condition is MACD. The MACD closes higher than the previous time interval. Your MACD must closes higher than the previous time interval. MACD closes higher than the previous time. The previous time interval. interval. So second one, the third one now is the signal candle close higher bullish. That is the third one. Then the fourth one is going to tell us about EMA. The EMA 5 to the close has crossed the 5 EMA to the open. Let me show you that. This is what it says. This is what it implies. The EMA 5 EMA to the close. To the close. And as close as cross as crossed has crossed the 5 EMA to open. So this is a sample. This is 5 EMA to the close. This is 5 EMA to the close. The 5 EM to the close has crossed. This is let's say this is 5 EMA to open. Then now the 5 EMA to close, this is the one, cross. When it crossed the 5 EMA to open, to close, the 5 EMA to the close has crossed the 5 EM to open. This is open, this is close. So this close cross the open. So it shows you by signal. So to continue to show you on how you can identify the signal for sell, I will just ask you to check me in the next part. Thank you for watching from Inventor Booth.